guys, it's Jamila here from Slap. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Wayne Goss collection. I am so excited to be doing a video on this. I didn't get a lot, but it felt like a lot at the time. When it came, I was like, oh, I thought I want more than this, but I didn't. I wanted just to get one from each product range because he did launch quite a lot of products and I didn't want to go crazy because I didn't know what the products were like. I didn't want to go mad and spend loads of money on something that might not be good. So let's see if it's good. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slap family. Wayne Goss is a British makeup artist. He's awesome, he's really good. He's on YouTube as well. If there's something you've always wanted to know how to do, he's probably done a video on it because that's his thing and he's really good at it. He actually launched the whole range with a launch video and I'm very excited to be trying everything. So he launched lipsticks, lip glosses and lip pencils, and he had a range of colours. There were lots of kind of soft pinks, especially on the lipsticks. For the glosses, there were like lots of neutrals, nudes, and then he had some sparkly ones as well. I got the High Shine Gloss in Petunia, the Luxury Cream Lipstick in Lotus, Essential Lip Pencil in Sepia. The lip gloss is $22, the lipstick is $28 US, and the lip pencil is $14 US. So not bad at all. I'm excited to try all of them. I'm excited to try everything. So I'm going to be starting first with the lip pencil. They all come in this silver packaging that says Wayne Goss on it somewhere. Here we go. It is quite creamy. So that is Sepia on. It's a really nice color and I think it's like a really nice powdery finish and it looks pretty cool. It's kind of mod-esque. It reminds me of like the 60s. I personally don't like colors this light on my lips on their own. How I probably would wear this is kind of in the middle. So I would probably ombre my lips with like a brown on the outside and then put this in the middle. Next I'm gonna go in with the lipstick. This is the creamy lipstick, Luxury Cream Lipstick in Lotus. I was looking at this a lot and I really like the look of it. The packaging here, it's so chic. It looks kind of like a dice. It looks really cool. It's all black and it says Wayne Goss. I do really like that. It's really nice to hold. It's not too big. It's like really pocket sized. Inside it's got Wayne Goss stamped on in silver. Oh, I love the look of this. So I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. It is quite light as well. I'm getting a bit nervous now, guys. Help. It's quite light. Oh god. None of these are as deep as they say they were. I'm gonna have to like darken this lip liner just around the corners just so I can make this a bit more like something I would personally wear. Okay, so here we go, It's so creamy. It feels so creamy, it feels really lightweight, it doesn't feel like you're wearing anything on your lips. It does have a weird smell. Is it completely on its own? It is really light, guys. Just in case you wanted to see it with no lip liner, this is it. This is just too powdery a pink for me. I personally don't like colours this light. Okay, so that's my lips back to normal. So that is the Wayne Goss on the inside, the Sepia, and the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Intense on the outside. I kind of like this. It's kind of a vibe for me. I'm kind of feeling it. It's good. It's a good look. Last but not least, lip gloss. The lip gloss is the thing I've been most excited to try and the thing I am using the most at the moment. It's in the shade Petunia. There were a lot of lip glosses that I really wanted to get and I think that the lip glosses is where he's going to be shining. I think this is going to be the one. I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful, otherwise this has been a complete waste of my life. This is the lip gloss in the colour Petunia. I'm going to swatch it next to Lotus. This is Petunia here. Petunia is a bit pinkier than the Lotus one. It's got a glass bottle And then it's got Wayne Goss on the top in black and white. And yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty chill, but it does look very clean and professional and grown up. So it has a little stopper on the inside, a very small teardrop wand. So I'm excited about this one. I do like the swatch. I do feel like it looks a lot similar to the lipstick, but I have a feeling this is just gonna wear better. He did say that it wasn't gonna be sticky, so let's pray to God that it's not sticky. I'm excited. So that's with the gloss, and that's without the gloss. Gloss looks amazing. It smells very pepperminty. It's very, very pepperminty in smell. And you do have to go back and forth just to kind of spread out the pigment, otherwise it does look quite gloopy. It's not very evenly distributed. I'll just show you without doing it. So that's it without me going back over it. So you do have to kind of go into it to blend it in. But it's a really nice wand. It feels really soft. It's easy to use. It smells really pepperminty. It's very creamy. I think this has a really nice shine to it, and it's really kind of cool when you see it up close. It's got a nice shine. It really reflects the light, and it is super, super shiny. Like, if you like your lip glosses so shiny and so glossy, and I think you will like this. He was right, there's no stickiness, there's no tackiness. You really don't feel like you're wearing lip gloss. It feels so smooth and so silky. So for that reason, I do really like it. Yeah, the peppermint smell is intense, but it smells a lot better than the lipstick did. Up close, it looks a lot better than it does on camera. Of everything I tried, I do like the lip gloss the most. It is definitely the best thing I've tried, and I would be interested in trying more of his lip glosses. That being said, I'm not sure I'm going to rush out and buy anything else from the brand at the moment. I do like the fact that he did create swatches on 2 skin tones, like a fair and a darker skin tone. But I do feel like those swatches look really different to what they look like on me. So that is a bit disappointing. But I'd be interested to see how this brand evolves and what he does with it. And I'm hoping that we get some kind of darker, richer colors for me. But so far, so okay. Not bad. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. I would love to have you in the Slap family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.